So the theory today is we're trying a tree. I mean, we are right next to the boat ramp at Paradise Point. We're actually in between the two boat ramps. You could easily land fish this area. And we saw there was a tree over here, and Michelle was coming down, getting on the boat.
You got another big bass.
And we got a guy out here hammering the bass out here right off the. Gosh, that is another good one. Maybe we ought to start doing some bass fishing. But yeah, we found this tree right in between the two boat ramps here. And the thought was, okay, it either gets fished a lot and there's no fish in it, or everybody passes it up and it's full of fish. Well, so far what we found, we've already caught a couple fish out of this, but what we found is that there's some fish in here, and they're nice ones. They're anywhere, we've caught between 9.5 to 11 inch crappie out of this one little spot. In about 10 minutes, we've caught 4 fish, 4 keepers. I'm gonna go with Cajun Cricket. It's been working out here for me before. Michelle's got black and yellow, and I think she's got like a brown and white. Both of them are two-tone color crappie jigs, and she's throwing it out, slowly reeling it back, where I'm just more vertical fishing. So we got 2 different types of presentations here. But it'd be a great land fishing area, and I never see anybody fish right here. All the boats put in, they take out, go to the lake. So we thought we'd just try something really close and see if we could catch some. So hopefully do. Oh, that's a good one right there. You got one too?
Oh, it's a good one.
Oh, you need a net?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that's a good one.
I feel like it's going to get off.
Got it.
It's not as big as I thought it was. Okay, sorry.
No, that's fine. You never know. That's crazy. Doubles on that tree right there.
Let's see, whose is bigger? Oh, they're the same.
Pretty close. I think yours is slightly bigger.
Nice one. Ned, please.
Seriously? It's already recording. Oh, that is good. Okay. Nice.
It's on the bigger side.
Yeah. That's a good one there.
I keep thinking they're bigger than they are, but still good.
That's a really
Probably
good one there.
11, maybe.
Maybe. I know.
Start feeding.
I thought you had one there for a second. Yeah, really. This one's not quite as big though. He is a tiny guy. Huh. He's got like a little white stripe on the top. That's kind of odd. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a nice one, huh?
Pink and silver.
What? Pink and silver? There you go. Pretty good.
Not bad.
Alright, I changed colors. I was using Cajun Cricket.
Is that Bill?
Yeah. I went more of a gray color. Probably a nice little 9-inch crappie right there. Nice.
Not big, but I think I'll
Probably.
probably throw him back.
That's probably a 9.
Yeah.
8.5. It's not too bad.
Probably a 7, close to 8.
Seriously.
But it's a bite.
Oh, that's a big one.
I don't have
That's a big one. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. No. Oh man.
Sorry, it's my fault.
Oh man. Whoa. Now we're talking. So we came back to the spot to see how it would do this afternoon. Second cast. 11.5 inch crappie, 12 inch crappie with some meat. It's a nice sized crappie right there.
Sorry about knocking you out.
Yeah, it was weird. It was like all of a sudden it started going out that way, and I'm like, hey, I got one. Oh, you got one?
Yeah.
Good one? That's not too bad.
Not like yours. Little guy.
about as hot this afternoon as it was today, which I figured that. Little guy. Oh, there's another one. That's another decent one. Watching that osprey. Another decent one. 9-inch, 8.5, 9-incher. Oh yeah, you need that. The circus up here. I know, it's a disaster up here. That is a good one. Show him off.